Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked Snapchat account. In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your email or phone number. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, click on your profile at the top left. Then click Account Settings. Then click Change My Password. And here you can type in your current password and your new password and click Change Password. If you're logged out, you can try to access Snapchat from another device or browser that you already may be logged into. And if you're unable to log in, then you would need to reset your password. To reset your password, head over to Snapchat's login page and enter in either your username, email, or phone number. And click Login. And then you want to click Forgot Password. And then you want to go check your inbox for an email from Snapchat with your code. So here's the email, and it should come from login@login.snapchat.com. And you can copy and paste the code into the window. Then click Next. And now you're logged in, and you can just follow the steps on changing your password in the previous section and change your password. If you can't find your account information, then you would need to go to the next recovery step. If your email was changed, you want to head over to Snapchat's support site, help.snapchat.com. It's on your screen now, and it will also be in the description as well. And under What Can We Help You With, you want to choose I think my account was compromised. And then you can read this if you want to. It's basically what we went over before. You can click here to contact the support team. And then here you can go ahead and fill out the form with all your details. And be sure to use the email address or the phone number that was previously linked onto your account for the best case. And under description, you can use the prompt that I have in the description and tweak it to your needs, to your situation of your account. And once you're all done, you can click Submit and wait for a response from Snapchat support. Here are some tips on securing your Snapchat account. Secure your email. Verify that the email or phone number on the account belong to you. Use different and strong passwords across all sites. Enable 2FA. Go to settings and sign out of everywhere. And revoke any suspicious third-party apps or third-party logins. If you follow the steps in this video and still having trouble with your account, join our Discord community. You'll get help from both us and other members to guide you through the account recovery process and secure your account. For more severe cases, we offer one-on-one single and multi-account recovery help for comprehensive support with hacks affecting multiple accounts. Click the link in the description or on your screen now to join our Discord and get help recovering and securing your account today. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.